YouTube family, what is popping, you all? I'd like to say thank y'all for tuning in to the channel, supporting your boy once again. I know it's been a while since y'all seen my ugly face. But today we're going to go check out Macys at NORTHPARK Mall. I don't know if I got an email saying they were doing some Black Friday sales. I don't know if it's on the ralphlauren or not. Or I don't know if that's maybe something they're doing online, not in store. But they did tell me they had a lot of new things out at the Macys, so we're going to go through and check that out. Not only that, today a pair of Jordan 4s came out, olive green. Excuse me now. Y'all know I don't really go to the store and post a lot of shoes on my channel. I normally show y'all the sneakers with the outfit. But olive green is one of my favorite colors, and I got so much I ain't gonna say so much. I got a few ralphlauren things that's already olive green that you guys may have seen on previous videos that I probably paired them sneakers up with. So yes, y'all, let's go check that out. I may have my little sister rolling with me today. She will be in the video if she decides to roll. Matter of fact, scratch that. I ain't know if she decides to roll, because if it weren't for her, I wouldn't got the sneakers. So she's definitely rolling with me. So yes, y'all, let's go get into this Macys real quick. After that, we may hit Town East Mall or either the parts of Arlington to scoop these sneakers up. But y'all will be with me. So let's get this day started. y'all can see me, my sister, and my little niece right here. We did secure the bag on these Jordan 4s, man. Shout out to my sister, because if it wasn't for her, I wouldn't have got this shoe. I will tag all her information in this video. Listen, make sure y'all please go give her a follow, man. Appreciate y'all. And as I'm finna do right now, let's get to the crib, man. I can show y'all everything else your boy scooped up on.
Riding in the car, you probably can't even pronounce. Shawty got that ass, my tracks will truly make it bounce. Home run, hit her for the hometown. In the long run, killing with my own sound. Niggas vibes are up because I'm on now. Way up and I stay up like a drone now. Can't say sorry if I hit you with the mix. It's probably cause you hit me with the switch. Ay, K-Man clubbing every time we hit the Ville. Chop a can of Twister, baby girl just wanna